Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, I want to highlight a new feature that appears to be in the works within the Google Play Store. This feature has not rolled out just yet, but if pushed live, it would allow the Play Store to update apps or games that you have installed from outside of Google Play. It appears to work by presenting you with a See Details page that, when tapped, gives the Google Play Store the ability to update the app instead of you needing to update it from its original source. This is an interesting feature that appears to require Android 14 or higher to be installed, as Android 14 introduced a new feature that allows an app store to declare ownership for the apps that were installed from that source. So if you installed an APK file from the Galaxy Store, for example, then the app would have a way of saying, "This is where I was installed." This feature seems to be implemented as a way to prevent users from accidentally installing the wrong version, since apps can appear in multiple app stores. You would then be given a pop-up dialog box that tells you which app store it was installed from. So the user could decide to cancel that update before the wrong version was installed. This unreleased feature seems to allow the Google Play Store to change ownership of the application's source. So even if the APK file was installed from somewhere else, the Play Store may end up changing ownership if prompted to by the user. So if this happens to you, say for example you installed the Aura app from a place that was not the App Store, instead of seeing an install button or an update button, you'll see a See Details button here. Then, instead of having the install or update button right here, you'll have the Update from Play button text instead. And you'll see this text here saying, the app installed on your device didn't come from Google Play, but you can update the app from the original source or directly from Google Play. I can see how having this option can help some people, since maybe you have uninstalled or disabled the source of a previously installed application store. And having outdated apps is hardly ever a good thing from a security point of view. But I also see this as a way for the Google Play Store to hijack apps that have been manually installed from another source, something that not everyone will be a fan of. This is an interesting move, and it could be an update that messes with app updates more than it helps. That is likely why this feature is currently being tested internally at Google, and that would be why it has not been released to the public just yet. But you should be made aware of this change, as it could result in some unintended issues in the future. So if you end up seeing an Update from Play button for an application that you have installed, then this is why. And before I forget, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Android news content like this.